Imagine if every person in your business became the best versions of themselves. Your leaders would communicate a vision that inspires others. Your managers would turn talent into performance to create highly accomplished teams. And your client-facing individuals will be confident, engaging communicators. We are Excel, and we can help make this vision a reality. For over 30 years, we've worked with businesses across the globe to develop their single most valuable asset, their people. With expertise in 5 key areas, we guide your people to learn, grow, and succeed. This starts with us getting to know everything about you, from your current culture to your ideal future. Then we get to work on building a customized, blended learning solution for your needs. Our experienced consultants deliver inspiring, interactive, and engaging live learning events all over the world, either remotely or face-to-face in multiple languages. Next, we evaluate the success of the learning with a reaction assessment and through our behavioural change measurement tool. And finally, we help you embed the learning into your workplace, ensuring it makes a lasting impact with supporting resources on our very own Excel Learning Hub, supported by ongoing coaching. We believe that by investing in your people, you can realise the full potential of your business and help individuals to be the best versions of themselves. So do get in touch to find out how we can partner you to discover how your people will learn, grow, and succeed.